Alright guys, this is Ty back again. I'm actually doing a video, not in my garage. I'm here at High Output. I don't know if any of you guys would know where that is. If you're from CT, you probably know. But I'm here to get a few things welded. I really don't want to record inside, maybe. I gotta ask him. But let's go. Alright, I made it back to the house. Ooh, what's that? These two came today. Gonna be putting those on. I can put that on. That's the distributor. What is that?
What?
I don't know. I think that's the throttle body. Over here we got the radiator. That is for the battery relocation. And I got one more thing to show you guys. Well, that's my axle, obviously. Ooh. Ooh. I probably won't put that on today. I'm not sure. Oh, and I got a surprise for you guys. I don't even think I showed you. I got my intake manifold painted. I mean, nothing special, but you'll see it later. Here we go. Intercooler piping, and a glove. Let's get the installing, boy. Right now, I'm about to install the Jbtuned fuel kit. Well, fuel tuck kit, whatever you want to call it. Right here, I have it. Nice sticker. It's a big sticker. I might put this on the back. I don't know. But this came with this line. Yeah, I'm guessing a fuel filter and the rest of the fittings are in there. Go follow, go subscribe. Wait, you can't subscribe. But go follow him on Instagram, on Facebook, Google Plus. Whatever you want to do, whatever social media you got, give Jbtuned a follow. I'll show you guys what I got so far. So if you can see right there, that's the fuel line. You cut it. You cut the fuel line with one of these, no dikes, because dikes will mess up the line. That black piece I just showed you is just a bigger one of these. If you look in here, let me see, hold up, let me focus. If you look in there, there's a gold piece. I'm gonna take it out. Gold piece right here. This you put on the line. This you put on the fuel line after you put this piece on this way. This is really simple. Like I said, you just cut the line. You put this piece on the line. Then you put this piece on the top of the fuel line. Then you just come back, screw this on, which I'm gonna do right now, which is this piece right here. So I'm just gonna come back right here. Let's see if you guys can see it better right here. Yeah. Just take this, screw it right back on. It doesn't have to be too tight, but I'm gonna tighten it a little more. You guys didn't see that, huh? Yeah, hold on, let me get my light. It looks better. The light. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. Oh yeah. So, let me finish this and I will finish the video. Okay, so I just took this off the fuel rail. Just use some pliers, pretty easy. Then I'm going to put this fitting on with this focus copper washer, and yeah, then put the fuel rail on and put the intake manifold in the engine bay. Yeah, boy. I have thermal gaskets over here. Well, this is for the throttle body. That's what that is. And this thermal gasket's gonna go here. And then, yeah. Oh yeah, it's getting done. I'm on my Kevin Hart. It's so funny. Oh yeah. Oh, I had to modify this fuel rail because the holes were too far apart for the Victor X manifold, so I just drilled them a little bigger and it fits perfect now. Ooh, let me show you guys. HDA 1000 cc fuel injectors. Let's get it. Let's look at these things. I mean, they look like stock ones, but ooh, they have like that chrome finish. Oh, wait, I think I have some over here. Yes, I do. I forgot that these seals, I don't have those seals, so I might use these. I don't know. Are they in there? Oh, I can just take these. Got the seals put in. Now I'm gonna put the injectors. And there we go, guys. Wow, that just looks, oh man. I really wanna paint this. I think I'm gonna paint this black. I'll probably end up painting that black tomorrow or something. Whatever. And that shit, this thing, Garbo, coming off. All right, guys, the fuel tuck kit right there is installed, guys. All the lines are in and everything's all set. You can see fuel filters right there. It looks cool right there. But that's gonna be it for the video today. Gonna wrap it up. Stay home, stay blessed. If you guys made it to the end of this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and see you guys in the next video.